I've never felt more excited than this moment where I see this virtual world of our work, our actions, and our decisions. This is something I'm very personally keen to build and was always very passionate about it. The phrase, without data, you are just another person with an opinion, was the key driver for this change. So we formed a data analytics and a business intelligence team that will help us on this journey of ours. As we learned more from the experience of this team of experts, one of the key changes that we made was to moving away from being a data-driven organization to a data-informed organization. So the primary objective of this team became enabling our people with well-informed, unambiguous, relevant, and timely decision support system in the form of data dashboards. The scope of this was to cover everyone, the technology team, product managers, our operations managers, and the actual people delivering our production services.
When I joined TNQ, the first thing that stuck to me was the huge amount of data that was available. TNQ, being a technology-driven organization, they had a wide variety of tools and products for quality and efficiency purposes. And every piece of technology gathered humongous data. This was a huge benefit already for someone whose job was to make meaning out of data. But the challenge was, all of this data was available in a raw form, spread across a variety of databases, servers, and log files, and it didn't have a consistent language. So my first job was to map out the spread of this data, find a common language that is consistent across different pieces of technology. It sounds simple, but it was very challenging, especially for me, as I was new to the publishing domain. And it took us almost a year for us to get to a state where we can start building data pipelines. A data warehouse structure was defined and pipelines were created to deliver all of this raw data into the data warehouse in a timely fashion. Necessary cleaning and transformation is done in the pipeline, and that output becomes the source for the visual dashboards. The dashboards that have been developed so far have already had a tremendous impact on the organization in the way we make decisions. Tableau became a product of choice. The most widely used dashboard is for our copywriting product, where at a granular level, the dashboard shows which copywriting rule is accurately implemented by the technology and where human intervention is necessary. This allowed us to consistently target those rules that were taking a lot of human effort and automate them. This also allowed us to take some rules that were always correctly implemented by the system and move them to a black box where the humans didn't need to see them. The end result is improved efficiency as well as greater quality in copywriting process. Likewise, there are multiple dashboards used by the products team, and the dashboards are slowly becoming an integral part of our day-to-day life.
Even though some days I felt there's a lot we have achieved in the last 2 years, it's just a journey. There is so much to do. There is so much more meaning to what we create out of this data. all our future technology and product development already assume that there will need to be a data pipeline or a business intelligence layer at the end of it. That's a significant change in itself that will continue to propel the organization to become a truly data-informed organization.